What is up, everybody? Oh. It's good to see you all. Oh, I need to turn those off. Thank you for reminding me. Oh, that's what's... it's all going nuts. Huh? Why are you making... No push-ups. Oh, I gotta turn these redemptions off right now. This is a great start. Stop redeeming points. I gotta turn this off. Disable. Stop. Yo, what's up, everybody? The chat is scrolling way too fast. I can't even read your names. Guys, chat is going too fast. I can't keep up with you. You guys ready for this giveaway? Yo, let's get some Murray thugs in chat. Those of you who are subs. By the way, there's a really awesome thing coming up, so stick around for that. After this giveaway, we've got another giveaway going on, so stick around. That's going to be super hype. I can see you guys are super excited for the PC giveaway. Those of you who haven't seen it yet, let me just give you a bit of a taste. But let's face it, if you're watching this, you know what it looks like already. Sheesh! That's a crazy PC. Me and DJ Zreek put so much work into that. You know what? I'm just gonna show you, okay? I'm just gonna show you. It is... Oh, and the cat. Hi.
Bloopers.
Now I've got the giggles.
Dude, I can't find a good spot. This stool sucks. It looks so comfortable. You guys are gonna get half the PC.
No. Yo, let's get very fun! And see those emotes! Yo!
This stool sucks.
I can't do this. Is it? Yeah. Yo, that's sick, chat. It's really good to see you. How did you get over there? What are you doing? Come right over here. Right here. Come on. There you go. Okay, cool. Good job. Nice. So, I've got someone on the line with me. DJ Zreek and I have worked a lot to get this going, chat. Let's quickly say hi to DJ Zreek. Hey.
Yo.
There we go. What's up, my guy?
There's Mr. Murray. How are you, bro?
Good to see you, man. Yo, you see how hyped chat is today? Ready for this giveaway?
Is on fire. Yeah. You ready, chat? You ready, guys?
Chat is on fire. You're right. There's no better way to say it. Hey, I think, do you think I've led people on enough, or do you think we need to tease them a little more?
I don't know. How about we let chat answer that? Chat, you ready for the winner, or should we tease you a little bit more? I think they're getting impatient, man.
I'm getting impatient. My palms are sweaty, spaghetti. I think I'm ready to get this going. Y'all are ready.
I'm down, dude. I'm so down.
Okay, there's a ton of hype. Yo, let's get this started. All right, I'll be right back, DJ Z.
Sounds good.
Okay. All right, chat. All right, we need a moment of silence real quick. Okay, so this is important. This has been so much work in the progress. By the way, I appreciate the subs and the gifts and the bits. You guys are awesome. So this has been a passion project of me and DJ Zreek, and I'm super excited to announce the winner. There's going to be details at the end, so make sure you pay attention. Even if you're not the winner, good luck to everyone. I really am excited about the person winning this giveaway, and hopefully the person who wins it is someone who really needs it. Now, at the end, I'm going to give you guys some details, as well as the very next giveaway that we've got going on, partnered with these people right over here. You see that name? See that name? We're partnered with Elgato. Stick around for that. But first, We have got something for you guys. One person, one lucky person is going to be a winner of a 2000 gaming / streaming PC. I want to see those emotes. Murray thugs in chat. I want you guys to go mad. Take slow mode off, mods. Take slow mode off. I want you all to spam like crazy. I want you guys to fill the chat with emotes so that there's no words at all. You ready, guys? Because I don't think you're ready. Here we go. Ah! Zane! Yo! Zane Alum! Yo! That's amazing! Congratulations, Zane. I've vetted this guy throughout the giveaway process. We've picked him today. I've gone through it all. I'm super excited. Zane, if you're chatting, mods, help me out here. There's so much going on. I can't see if he's here. But confetti, look at that. Wow. That's really awesome. Congratulations, Zane. Yo. But I am pretty sure that some of you are a little sad that you didn't win a giveaway. And it's okay. We've got another one coming up. People have been... what's up, Adam? Good to see you. That's my editor right there.
Okay.
There's been some people trying to impersonate me with the giveaways. And they've been trying to steal people's information. Do not reply to a YouTube comment. I'm not going to contact you via YouTube if you've won something, all right? The email I'm going to contact you from is murray@ampasfilms.com. I'm going to keep you guys up to date when stuff happens. I will keep you guys updated on Twitter. !Twitter. I even tell you what I have for breakfast. Sometimes. Now, if you want to keep up to date and you don't use Twitter, Discord's a great place, as well as YouTube and Instagram. All right? We've got some stuff for you guys.
Okay, all right.
You already know who it is. Okay? But do you know what it is? Let's see some emotes. I'm curious to see how many of you people know what's going on here. I'm super excited. This is something I've never done before, and I can't wait to get this going.
Add it up. Okay, all right.
Oh yeah. So we are giving away $1,500 worth of Elgato streaming gear. This is microphones, this is the mic boom arm, this is the stream deck, this is the key lights, this is the Elgato capture cards, what isn't it? The Elgato face cam, the Wave XLR. Here, let me just show you just a few of them, right? All right, check this out. Elgato Wave mic arm. By the way, this is only some of the gear, right? This isn't everything. I got just a few boxes here. We've got Elgato key lights. Yo, how many of you have wanted this thing for a while? I've always wanted one of these. I got two of them. Actually, you can see them. It's pretty easy to tell. And they're super amazing. Watch this. I can control it with my stream deck. Turn them on and off. And change the brightness. And so many other things. You can change the color temperature too. Check this out. There's going to be 2 microphones in this giveaway. Ah! My cat's watching me and she's like, what is going on right now? It's just a circus. So the Wave 1, the Wave 3 is also going to be in this giveaway. the Wave XLR, you can use any microphone with this and still get Elgato's Wavelink software from on your computer. It's really powerful live streaming equipment. If you haven't used this before, !Wave XLR. I do have a video on it, how to use it and how to set it up. The Elgato Facecam, which is, by the way, this bad boy up here. Oh, hey chat, look, you're on screen. Check it out. You want to be in a YouTube video? Type in chat. Fantastic webcam. And that's just half of the gear that we're going to be giving away.
That's an epic giveaway, man. I think people are excited. Anyone that's a content creator or even a streamer is going to really enjoy that giveaway. That's really awesome from you and Elgato. So that's going to be a really nice giveaway. So if you guys didn't win the PC and would like some sweet gear, I know that the Elgato mics are pretty much just like Go XLRs, but all in one. So those are really, really powerful tools, whether it be if you're just using it as a standalone mic, as a mixer. If you're a content creator and you want to add different things, it's truly a powerful tool. So you guys are going to really enjoy having that if you guys enter in that giveaway. So
yeah, I mean, you said it better than I did. Maybe Elgato needs to hit you up.
I don't know, man. That'd be pretty sick, right, chat? Awesome.
This is, by the way, this is provided by Elgato. So chat, let's get some hot Elgato in chat, because that is incredibly generous of them. They didn't have to do it, but I said, yo, do it, otherwise I'm not partnering with you.
Elgato watching like, oh,
they're like, okay, terminate the contract, time out, we're done. Nope.
too funny.
How do you enter? So information will be coming out very soon about how to enter. We're still finalizing a few of the details, but that'll be coming out very soon. So keep an eye out on Twitter. I'm very active on Twitter, as well as Discord and YouTube.
You want to hint them towards, what we might be doing next? Maybe a little bit of teasers. I know we haven't officially decided yet, but maybe give them a little bit of teasers and maybe a time range of when that's going to happen.
Why the heck not? Do you want to say it, or do you want me to say it?
1 second, I just gotta Baron, thank you for the raid. Welcome guys. Yeah, go ahead, man, go ahead.
So the next giveaway after the Elgato giveaway is going to be RTX graphics cards. Oh
yes, chat.
So we're looking at getting an RTX 3060 Ti, an RTX 3080, and a 3080 Ti. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Something like that.
We're going to be giving away 3 graphics cards to 3 lucky winners. So I know that we had one winner, obviously, this time around, but this time we're going to be giving away 3 graphics cards. So chat, stay tuned. I gotta mute my my notifications.
That's going crazy.
I got people. I got things going off. So mute that real quick.
Now keep in mind, chat, this is premature. We're still going through all the fine details of this graphics card giveaway. There's going to be 3 winners. Obviously, the one winner is not going to do all 3 of them. That would just be really unfair, or extremely fair to them. So we're going to do 3 winners for 3 RTX graphics cards. And that'll be in the first few months of next year, 2022. Yep. Gotta get that right.
Yeah.
Look, we gotta. I did so much editing. I am completely tired. I have run out of steam. So here's what we're gonna do. Yo, I appreciate you guys tuning in. I had so much fun. You guys made it just that much better. Chat is the reason why I live stream. I had so much fun creating this content. DJ Rick, you're a doofus. I had so much fun creating all these cutscenes and exciting music and all that kind of stuff. I do that all the time with live streaming, so feel free to follow and stick around for the future. I appreciate all the subs, all the love. You guys are awesome. I love you guys. I appreciate you. Keep strong. I'll see you next time. But until then, make something great.